Been calling me. The number you have dialed has been changed.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl BrightAsDae. We get new hairstyle. Y'all gonna see a video on it anyway. If y'all don't see it before this, y'all gonna see it after this. Anyway, so today I'm in town. I'm coming grocery shopping. So I decided to take y'all grocery shopping because a lot of times I get questioned about what it's like. You know, people are inquiring about the pricing and everything like that. Now I do want to say as a disclaimer, I'm very fortunate that I don't have to buy like rice, flour, and sugar like that, like stuff like that. And I feel like that's what a lot of people spend money on, so that's gonna knock off a lot of prices. So this is not indicative of like the average Jamaican or that is going out and buying every single thing. This is just my experience. I do want to put that out there. I do understand that there are privileges to what I'm showing you and everything like that. I am not dismissing that or acting like that does not exist in our, you know, our Jamaican culture and stuff like that. But anyway, there's a new supermarket opened up. I came over here the other day looking for a cake because it was my little cousin's birthday, and I heard about it, so I came to check it out. So this is my first time gonna shop there and everything like that, so come along with me. We also, look who is with me today. And so I reached back Jamaica. Our sweet yo, so our sweet yo. Oh, bossy. So anyway guys, let's go inside. Oh, so this is the new supermarket, y'all. So let's go check it out. Alright guys, so sweet Italian carbon and cheese. I'm gonna try get this. And I like the cheese here. I think I'm gonna buy some potatoes and make my potatoes.
You gonna make potatoes?
I mean, not tonight. When I go?
Tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow when?
I don't know.
Morning. My work. I'm morning. Guys, you even have bags to put your fruits in, which I think is awesome. That's something that I've never experienced here in Portland. I'm only speaking for Portland. That's supermarket are nice, no?
Nice.
Them have them here beer? That's a ask. No, but that's a ask because we don't have here
so
Portland.
Why you try to say beer?
Me not style on, you know. Me just say me know say Portland not really this nice. So me just ask. Me know say they have here like Kingston and stuff.
Do I your face favor?
Me know them, me not ask. No, then when I just tell us, so we just get it. Me I try to tell us, say, everywhere like modernized, no. So that's why me I say, I ask if them have a ginger bullet at the base.
No.
Ginger bullet nice.
$70.
70. Wait, I make sure it's the right one. Ginger bullet. Oh.
Yes. No more the bigger pack. You ever taste them?
Yeah.
They're fresh. No man, no, this side, this one.
Yeah, let's see Ainsworth's damage first. I feel me kiss get them there. Yeah. Are them small one you bring up?
You just want me $50.
Me want you 50, you can't get cousin 50, $100. Yeah, go on, sir.
Do I? Money kind of short.
$100 50 cents. Me can't give 50 cents.
You really go give me? Excuse me?
Alright guys, so this is what I got. So I got a milk, some sauce up juice. I got this fish fillet that I'm gonna try. Some pork chops, plantains, bun and cheese, and potatoes. Oh shit. Oh, me think gonna cash out already.
No, cash out yet.
Yeah, so this is all I got. And we're gonna see what's the total on this. So guys, look at this little bag here, so, and it came to $8,750. Enzo, how you feel? Enzo?
Well, right now I feel hurt. Feel hurt.
Oh gosh. Oh you know what? Can I pick up foreign chips and then somebody should I pick up some cheese chips?
Yeah, you're right. No, just use the car. I mean, use my car.
So guys, my bill comes to $5,366.50. I don't know what the conversion is, but I'll put it on the screen. I'll put it in the video for you.
5,000. And look, she have one look at dege bag. One dege bag, y'all. Come on, cuz you know you got that money. Hi. 5,000. Can you see the numbers?
Zoom in. There we go.
Wow. She only get $33.50 back.
What 50 cents? Guys, we're at supermarket number 2. Now this is a supermarket that I always come to, but the new one opened up, so I decided to go check it out. So I'm kind of sell out a little bit, but I'm gonna come back. So I didn't buy everything because the new one is very expensive, and I kind of get why you get it's like a, you know, it gives you that uptown feel, and then something that's I feel like you're paying for convenience, you're paying for everything else that they have to offer. But anyway, I picked up some juice already. I picked up some box drinks. These are cheap. I picked up some Franks and a body wash and a toothbrush, but that's about it so far. I have a list. Let's pop it out and see what else I need. Okay, so I got Franks, I got bread already, I got juice, I got milk, I got body wash, toothbrush, cheese, we got cheese. Oh, look at right, red balls. Oh, the cheese chip.
Red ball. Boy. What could I cause all of this?
My favorite snack, corned beef. But you want a daily bread?
Shade. Don't say that too loud, on camera.
What?
You say your favorite snack is what? Red balls.
Cheese ball. It's the strawberry balls.
Oi. What could I cause all of this?
My past 5,000 or 6,000 minutes now. I'm going to get a bag of ice. I'm going to eat this.
Boy, my rich cousin. Pop out the money now. Pop out the England, pound them now and show them.
Yeah, my dinner 7,200.
7,000. Let's see. 7,000.
Oh, may I use my card here, sir?
Oh, excuse me.
And keep the cash. No, because it don't make sense me use me coming up 7,000.
7,000.
Oh, you may have some change as well.
What's your money? Go and peel. Keep peeling. English books. Because they're sure, you know.
I stay myself in my budget, man. That's why I'm not using my card. I just can't spend too much. 7,071.
I can lend you a few bucks.
See? No, it passes 70. See here? I tell us I'm not borrowing no money in the car, yes, sir.
Alright, I can't give you something. Where you want to give? Where you want me to give you?
So guys, the total between the two about 12,000. I'll put the exact. It's 12,000 something. So not bad. Not bad. And this is gonna last me like the whole week. For 12,000, that's probably like almost $100, which is that's kind of fine. And that's excluding, like I told y'all, everything like rice, flour, and all that, because I don't have to buy that. But can you imagine if I had to? How much you spend on over there? Look at snacks. You buy the ice cream?
Yeah.
See there? Yeah, she not cashier.
You know cash ice cream? Cash ice cream? Give me a bigger. Oh, you have a firm.
Yeah, thanks. How much you spend now?
700. Oh,
No, that's just for the ice cream.
1,000. Hold on there. Add $700 to that. That's
Probably 2,200 something.
Yeah.
Alright, so that's in well. So in total we reach now 6,000 something. No, 10,000 something.
$10,000.
Alright, we catch y'all in the car.